So here's today's dare, the fastest way to your dream. And the fastest way to your dream is by far by doing the simple exercise, the following. Picture your dream and picture yourself in your dream as if you were already, not going pro, but you were already pro today. Picture yourself and envision what you are doing in this day that is living in and continuing in your success of your dream. And then simply, don't complicate it, simply go to the biggest skills that you either need to learn or to better learn and more improve to be in that picture right now. You might find that in some major ways you only need a couple things to do there, and the rest of it might be mindset. And what a great discovery that is. Go to your dream, picture what you need to be there, and then write it in the comments below, or better yet, you are triple dog dared. Better yet, put it in a little video and shoot it to us here, and let's see if we can all grow together and all grow walking up the mountain to the top, to the very top. Blessings to you.